There through thick and thin.
She is.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here,
First off, welcome.
Rain Gang, welcome back sis for another video. Now you should know I'm excited. Why? Huh? I am typically a wash and go gal. We rocks our curls unashamed. That's pretty much all I do. But today, I'm gonna be trying out a whole new style, but my hair is gonna be blown out. I really want to show you guys the goodness that is this ceramic coated beauty blow dry. Y'all, I partner with Pattern yet again. Now, first things first, I've been saying this for years. I look back and I made a video 7 years ago and I was saying a hair idol, but if I had to choose, definitely would be Miss Tracee Ellis Ross. Not only do I love Tracee Ellis Ross, Joan Carol Clayton, I love me some Pattern, okay? I got the receipts. Just check back on my YouTube. So enough talking. I'm gonna go ahead and shampoo my hair. We're gonna be using all of Pattern's goodness for their heat collection.
Patternbeauty.com, you gotta get your product.
I truly believe that you need to prep your hair. My hair is old, but we're gonna get it together, okay? I'm not a big heat person, but when I do blow out my hair, it's essential that I get it clean, that it is hydrated and moisturized and prepped for heat, all right? And then we're gonna talk about this blow dry. Let's get into it. All right, so I went ahead and rinsed my hair. So I'm taking Pattern's clarifying shampoo. One of my favorites. It's actually one of my mom's favorites too. It's really her shampoo, but she don't have to know.
Borrow steal.
Love that Pattern has a clarifying shampoo because clarifying is key, especially if you're gonna be putting heat on your hair. I clarify at least once a month and I go all the way to the tip. But again, you really just have to do what works for you. That is like my motto that I say in every hair video. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and rinse this out and then we're gonna continue with the prep. All right, she is rinsed. Now moving on. Okay, I've talked about this transition mask from Pattern. It is amazing. If you have never tried it, you don't have to be transitioning. She definitely has created products in her line that are geared towards everybody in the natural hair community. If you're transitioning, if you have tight curls, you have looser curls, you know, you need more moisture. The reason why I'm using this is because it has Manuka honey in it. And if you know anything about Manuka honey, it's gonna help to maintain that moisture balance. Your girl has used, I feel like, all the Pattern stuff before. In previous videos, okay, and offline. All right, the consistency is so good, gives more of like a gel-like feel, but it really feels like it's seeping into the strands. So it's one of my absolute favorites. If you have watched my video on the detangler that I love so much, I made a whole video about that, okay? If you watched that video and you've used it before, the consistency is kind of similar. Formula is not like a creamy consistency, and that is something that I really like. So I'm taking my Pattern brush. I've used this so many times. If you don't have a Pattern brush, what are you doing? Detangling and making sure the product is, child. Does your deep conditioner define your curls the way that it's? I didn't think so. It looks like I put a gel on my hair, doesn't it? No, it's just the mask. Joan Carol Clayton, she knew what she was doing. If you follow her story, she has been wanting to do this for a very long periodically time. I feel like when you do that, and I could be biased because, you know, that's my cousin in my head. When you have a dream and you know who the dream is for, you know who the dream is for, you're gonna really take the time to really ensure that everybody in that community has something that's gonna work for them. I feel like she did that. Oh, this is a deep conditioner. Let me stop. Okay, we're back from rinsing out the deep conditioner. We're gonna use the leave-in conditioner. I enjoy the Pattern's leave-in, very good smell. I mean, the whole line has the same kind of floral, feminine smell. So we have our leave-in in, hair is feeling good. We are going to get into the Pattern blow dryer because I know y'all been in my DMs asking, am I going to review this? Yes, of course. It's Joan Carol Clayton. Like, what? Look at this. The color is gorgeous. So for Pattern to release their blow dryer, which is a curl conscious blow dryer. It's giving you the freedom to enjoy your curls at every stage. If you want to blow it out, you can. If you want to diffuse it and wear your curls, you can. If you want immense volume, you can. You want to stretch it out completely, you can. And I love that. It's a ceramic coated grill, that is supposed to reduce hot spots, to ensure even heat distribution, which my favorite part is going to minimize heat damage. The ion generator turns on to smooth the cuticle and it turns off to amplify volume. There are 3 heat and 2 speed settings, allows up to 6 customized airflow and heat settings for any curl type. The lock-in cold shot delivers a burst of cold air to gently set styles and enhance shine and luster. There's a dual locking mechanism ensuring that attachments stay firmly in place. The handle is going to reduce strain while styling. But what I love the most are the attachments. Let me tell you why. Pattern included not 1, not 2, not 3, but 4 attachments. There is a diffuser attachment, which is something that I'm going to be using all the time. If you follow my videos, you guys know that I'm a diffuser wash and go type of gal. That's just what we do over here, right? This is going to help shape and set your curl. It's needed on every blow dryer, and I feel like Tracee Ellis Ross, she ain't just not gonna put a diffuser on a blow dryer. What? Okay, that's just not what's not gonna happen. Second attachment is this concentrator nozzle. This is amazing to stretch your hair out. This is amazing if you want to stretch and really concentrate. Concentrator nozzle on the hair shaft. I'll be using this to definitely stretch out my hair for my wash and goes. You guys know that's what I love to do after diffusing. And so this is definitely a must when it comes to a blow dryer. But we're not done. 2 of my favorites, okay, besides the diffuser, is the wide tooth comb attachment. I feel like this is perfect with really detangling, but my thing is not having to worry about the picks breaking off. It can also help to amplify and lift your curls, which I cannot wait to use for a wash and go. I'm gonna be able to lift my hair up without disturbing the curl pattern. And now y'all. There is a brush, ladies and gentlemen. Now I used this about last week. It's going to elongate your curls to its fullest potential. Now with these bristles, they don't get hot. You can get very close to your hairline and it doesn't snag. I'm sorry. And if you're gonna have a heat collection, of course you're gonna have a heat protectant, right? Go ahead and just, rub it all in. I feel like it just makes me feel better. So these 2 buttons right here, they will help to lock in the attachment, right? Very easily. Now, if this is not comfortable for you, you can always adjust it by simply taking this out and turning it around and locking it in. I definitely suggest and recommend that you go ahead and use the comb first to ensure that it's completely detangled before going in with the brush. All right, okay. So now we're gonna go ahead and finish it off. You guys, but I'm gonna be very, very honest. I forgot to use the ion generator when I tried it out before this video. Use the ion generator. It just makes such a difference in smoothing. Definitely smoothing. My hair feels good. Oh, you guys know how I am about my hair feeling good. Let me go ahead and finish this up, wrap it up, and then I'll be back. So I am going to take the edge control by Pattern. I'm taking just a little bit more my Pattern brush. So if you've never used Pattern's edge control, it works really well for styles like this. So I'm so glad that I used that. I also wanted to recreate a style that I saw on Pinterest. It did not have like a textured look to it. And so I wanted to recreate it, but with a textured feel. So yeah. So this is how it turned out. Having a good blow dryer is key, but having a good blow dryer with 4 attachments is a game changer. Blown away by the amount of thought that went into creating this for girls like myself who are curl conscious. Y'all know me. Even if you're not into heat, you can still set your styles because there's a cool shot. There's an ion generator, y'all, that's gonna smooth the cuticle. You can give yourself volume. You can lift your roots. You can stretch your hair out. You can diffuse and set your curls, your natural curls. Listen, hear me. Y'all know I don't pump nothing up unless it deserves to be pumped up. And so I'll be using this throughout my other hair videos, especially the diffuser and the comb attachment and the concentrator nozzle. So be sure to subscribe so you can just see how, you know, I intend to use this throughout, okay? So yeah, I hope this video was helpful for you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. And again, thank you Pattern for sponsoring this video. Again, I hope this was helpful. All opinions have been my own. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one.